Oh, sorry, Elizabeth, that was me. Oh, God, sweet Mary and Joseph, I'm standing over here. Elizabeth, why are you standing over there? Does it smell that bad? Yes, it smells awful. You can come back, it's going. What'd you do that for, you clumsy poop? I'm sorry, I had a little gas. Oh, God, I'm sorry. Oh, no, not Diane. Hi. Hi, Diane. What welcomes you in my house? Nothing. I just want to say hello to my lovely neighbors. Who enjoy my company. Yeah, I guess we do. She's trying to get rid of me. No, she's not, you clumsy poop! Shut up! Alright, I'll shut up now. I want a cigarette. Diane, it doesn't look like you need any more cigarettes the way you're coughing. Shut up, Sabrina. Diane, are you alright? Yeah, I'm alright. Is those cigarettes? Then stop smoking. I can't. Zane, can I have a cigarette? Zane, don't give her anything. Diane, do you have enough cigarettes? Yeah, but I want one of yours. No. Why not? Do you have cigarettes at home? Yeah, I have a whole pack of cigarettes. All right, then. Smoke your cigarettes, not getting mine. Come on, I want one. Diane, you need to cut down. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. Stop smoking. Want you around for a long time. All right, I'll try to quit, but I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can. I can't quit. I'm sorry. I have a habit. What is Diane bailing about now? She wanted a cigarette. Of course she did. Where's our daughter? She's at Bailey's. Oh. She wanted a cigarette? A cigarette? Did you give her one? No, gorgeous, I didn't. No, gorgeous, I didn't. Okay. I didn't give her a cigarette. Okay, good. I told her to cut down. Do you think Diane will cut down on cigarettes? That dingbat woman smokes every time. Gorgeous, she can hear you. Diane has some good ears. I don't care if that dingbat hears me or not. Let's go. Well, I guess we're going. I'm gonna take my BF. Take my BF. Or a shower. Read my book. Then relax. Liar. You're a straight up liar. First you're gonna read your book, then have a cigarette. You got it wrong there, Timothy. No, I'm not gonna do that. Excuse me. Diane, you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna read your book, smoke a cigarette. Like I said, Diane, you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna smoke a cigarette. You're gonna smoke a cigarette. Right? You're gonna smoke a cigarette, read your book, then take a shower or a bath. Yeah, you got me. Where am I? Diane, are you... Oh, that's all right. I'm sorry. Those cigarettes. Are you really trying to get rid of me? Oh, here we go. No, I'm not trying to get rid of you. I bought the unsalted nuts because I can't have the salted ones. I can't have the salted ones. But can you... Well, that's what... Sorry, some cigarettes. But can you buy the salted nuts for me? Because I can't have the unsalted ones. They make me choke. So you're definitely trying to get rid of me if you're feeding me those. Whatever. I'd never. But I'll buy the salted nuts, all right? To keep you shut up. Diana, I'm sorry. You've been doing that all day. If you're going to cough, go by Tim and Jamie's. I'm not going by there. Just let me smoke my cigarette, read my book, and I'll be in the shower. All right. Achoo! Ah! There goes Chrissy. I'm sorry. What do you want me to do? Keep it in? Yes, Sabrina. I'm sorry. I had to sneeze. Cat, please stay here. I can't come with you. No. Go take a shower. Go take a nap. You're being annoying. Okay. Oh, God. Hi, guys. Hi, JJ. Who are you two yelling at? My sister. Oh, Cat? Don't tell me she's coming over here. She might. Oh, God. Babe, who were you yelling at when you came in the door? My sister. Cat? Yeah, she might come over here. Oh, God. And bother my mom? Yeah. My mom gets enough torture. All these people coming in and out of her house. Out of our house. She gets enough torture, babe. Cat, are you going over there? I might. Where's my marijuana? It's Elizabeth, sweetheart, I might have to poop. All right. I might have to poop in a few hours. I might have to poop in an hour. All right. Hey, I want that shirt. You're not getting it, so stop asking. Why? Babe, stop. Okay, fine, I'll stop asking you. Is it getting annoying? Most likely it is. I'm sorry. Hi, Harry. Hello. Who is that now? I'm not answering that. You know who it is. I do? I do? Yes! Hi. Hey. Diana, I'm sorry, those cigarettes. Hi, guys. Hi, you didn't come over yesterday. We didn't have anything to do. I fell asleep. Oh. Hi, you guys didn't come over yesterday. We didn't? Oh, yeah. I didn't want to. You don't want to see your girlfriend? Fiance. Whatever. Victoria. Babe, we didn't have any acting to do. Oh, yeah, you're right. Obviously. Who's that choking? Diane. She lives that far from close to you? She's only down the street. Oh. Oh, Elizabeth, I'm telling you, I gotta go. All right. It's coming out. Hi, babe. Hello. Come on. Come on. I had to poop. You stalling. You stalling. Sweetheart, I gotta go. It's coming. I was released and I might poop myself. All right. Elizabeth, can you wipe my ass? Fortunately, I can. Thank you. Your hair's in my mouth. Well. Oh, Lucinda, make it fast enough to that bathroom? No. Mom, you all right? You're right in there like a racehorse. Mom, you all right? You're right in there like a racehorse. Yeah, I gotta go to bathroom. Mom, let me guess. Mexican. Yeah, I had Mexican. Didn't agree with me. Thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping my ass. No problem. Lord. Elizabeth, Diane is trying to get rid of me. Shut up about that! It's over and done with. Tired of hearing it. Diane, I'm sorry, it's those cigarettes. Whoa, Elizabeth, you don't have to get fresh. I am not getting fresh. Hi. Oh no, cats, please. I want to say hi. I haven't seen you, Jamie, in a long time. Hi. Hi, cat. Hi. One time. Spit it out, cat. One time. I forget now. One time a puppy was wearing sunglasses, and I saw it in my mirror in my bathroom. Cat, no one knows what you're talking about. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, bye. Who are you? My name is Cat. What? Your name is Cat. Kit! No, my name is Cat. Like the animal. What is that supposed to mean? Nothing. I love cats. Me too. They're so cute. Well, bye. Jamie, do you have any candy? No, I'm all out of candy. Oh. Well, bye. Bye. As I seen you again. Why is my mother passed out? And Sabrina sneezed. Oh. Should never done that, Sabrina. Well, bye. Cat, do you really have to go over there? Yes. Elizabeth, I'm not saying to be rude. That girl's kind of weird. Yes, she is. Her laugh goes right through you. Diane, I'm sorry, those cigarettes. Her laugh goes right through you. She goes, God, that laugh goes right through you. And a bag of chips. It does. And what in the world is she talking about? Sabrina, I don't know. Sometimes that girl doesn't make sense. What she's actually talking about. I'm not saying to be rude. Is she that dumb? That's Chrissy's daughter you're talking about. I know, but I don't think Chrissy actually cares. Chrissy knows how she is, like how dumb she is. Why is she so dumb? I don't know. Why didn't you ask her? You can't get a straight answer from her. She's like another Bridget. But worser. I get it. Was that me? No, you clumsy poop. That was Lucinda. On the toilet. Well, you keep calling me that because you are a clumsy poop. Bye. Bye, I love you. Love you too. Come on, bird legs. I'm on the run. All right, I'm coming, lord ass. Why do you call him that? He called me bird legs. Oh, babe, you actually do have bird legs. Louis, shut up. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. Bird legs. I agree. Jenna does have bird legs. Well, bye. Bye, Louis. Is that me? No, for the 1,000th time, you clumsy poop! It was Lucinda! No, Liz, we don't have to get fresh. Was that me? No, you clumsy poop! That was Lucinda! All right, Elizabeth, you don't need to shout. Elizabeth, you don't need to shout at me. I won't shout if you hear me. What? Nothing. Do you have Zoe? Yes, I do. She's in my room. Okay, good. I love you. I love you too. Diana's that smoker's flame. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. Love you too. Babe, you're saying bye to me. Bye, gorgeous. Bye. Why is your sister Kat so annoying? I don't know. She says random things, babe, that don't make sense. I know. I love you. I love you too. Kat, she's so annoying. Kat? Oh yeah, I heard her in the living room. Why'd she do that? I don't know. The thing she says does not make sense at all. It really doesn't. Oh, bye. I love you. Love you too. That's all she does is laugh and laugh. Bye, I love you. I want your shirt, babe. Skylar, stop asking. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. I love you. Love you too. Hi. Skylar, you high? Just a tad, but not as bad. Come on, guys. Let's go buy let's go buy, you said Diane's. I meant to say Jamie's. Let's go buy Jamie's. Why, Dad? I can see your girlfriend, Bridget. Liliana Olivia Payne. She is not my girlfriend. Your mother is. I know, Dad. I'm just messing with you. Come in. Hi, Liliana. Hello. Where are your parents? They're coming. Hi, Bailey. Hello. Hello. How are you? We're good. Oh, Elizabeth, I might piss myself. All right. I'm not letting you know. Oh, excuse me. Oh, God! We have nowhere to run now, Elizabeth. Oh, God, it smells. Does that smell? Oh, Timothy farted. Oh, God, it reeks. Come on, y'all. Now, Stinky, don't puke now on Jamie's rug. Don't throw up now. Ready to throw up twice on the rug. All right, now. You better not puke on her rug. You got me now, Stinky. I told Stinky before we went here not to puke on your rug. I'm sorry if he does do it. It's those antibiotics the doctor gave him. You got an infection? He has an infection from eating the rug. Oh, yeah. Hi, Liam. How are you? Oh, Bridget. I love you. I love you too. You love me? Not that way. Don't get the wrong idea. Ow. I napped. Liam, I love you. Oh, Bridget. I'm sorry. I like you, but you don't like me back. Elizabeth, are you possessed? I am not possessed. Stop asking me that. Well, Diane, I'm sorry, those cigarettes. You don't like me. Bridget, I never said I didn't like you. Ow. You don't like me. Bridget, I like you as a friend. Ow. Oh, Bridget, your doggy threw up on my rug again. Oh, no, not again. When do my animal shenanigans never begin? They never have an ending. No, they don't. You got that right. I need a napkin. You mean a napkin? No, it's called a napkin. Where is it, Neil? Oh, it's right here. Don't eat your vomit! He's about to eat his vomit! No! No, y'all! Don't eat your vomit! Where are you, nuts? Don't eat that! You'll definitely get sick. Do not eat your vomit. He was about to eat his vomit. He was about to eat his vomit, y'all. Don't eat your vomit. It's nasty. Liliana, why are you laughing? Because it's funny. The way Bridget's yelling at her pets. Like they're humans. Bridget. Yes, Liliana, darling. I'm not saying this to be rude to you or anything. Or don't take it... Don't take this the wrong way, Bridget. Why you yell at your animals? Because they don't listen. Do they ever listen to you when you do scold them? No, they keep doing the opposite. I love you. And Bridget, why you always hit on my dad? I don't know. Have you seen your dad? He's gorgeous, y'all. You sound gorgeous. You know that. Yes, I know that. Would you be my boyfriend? Not in a billion years. Ow. Where's Lucinda? She's in the bathroom. Ow. That woman's always in the bathroom. What is her bathroom shenanigans? Never end. It's like your farm shenanigans. You got that right. What was that, y'all? That was Lucinda on the toilet. That was not me. Looks like Chrissy's passed out again. What's wrong with her wagon wheel this morning? Or the afternoon? Or evening, whatever time it is. Sabrina sneezed. That's her problem. Ow. That's right. I'm gonna go wake her. Bridget, you better not. Oh, man. Good dolly. I should never bother her. She might get angry at me. Well, I'll be back. No, Bridget. Chrissy, darling, it's time to wake up. What? What is wrong? Ow, hi. Who are you? You know who I am. I'm Bridget, your lovely friend. We'll scratch your wagon wheel this afternoon. Someone sneezed. Ow, that's the issue here. Well, Chrissy, darling, you have a pleasant day now. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. That girl is so cheerful for me. Oh, God. Here it goes. What the heck was that? Sabrina, why are you cracking up laughing? The pig sneezed and Chrissy passed out. No, she did not. Yes, she did. What just happened, y'all? Your pig sneezed and Chrissy fainted. Ow, for no apparent reason. Daisy, come on. Better keep your sneezes in out of warm. You don't listen. Why these animals don't listen to me? Well, I guess I better be going. You all come back now, you hear? Well, bye. All the rest of the animals can go home. But Stinky, you stay here because you're not feeling well. I'm very, very sorry, Jamie. Those antibiotics make him nauseous. Oh, poor baby. Well, you all come back now, you hear? Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Bye, Liam. What was that? Something licked me. Ow, it was Papa Stinky. His breath once again smells like vomit. Because he had his own vomit earlier. Then he threw up again. Well, bye, Liam. I love you. God. What is with her? Why is she so obsessed with... Babe, why is she so obsessed with me? I don't know. Who would be? Mom, Dad, I am going home. Bye, Liliana. Bridget. You're not gonna replace me with Bridget? No. I like you. I know you do. So Bridget's not your new girlfriend, y'all. It's very cute coming from your mouth, but no, she's not my girlfriend. You are. I know I'm your girlfriend. Well, I just say fiance. Yeah. I love you. Love you too. Let's not make out in front of Liliana. She doesn't like it. Who cares, Bailey? Come here. Mom! Dad! Stop! Mom? Mom, Dad, I need to talk to you for a second. Yeah, sure, love. We'll be there in a minute. What's wrong, love? Nothing. You okay? Yeah, we're fine. I'm fine. Is Brian coming? Yeah. You know, Mom, Dad. Did I ever tell you you guys are the greatest parents in the world? All the time, Madison. Well, it's true. You guys are, and I love you. Madison, what do you want? Dad, why are you assuming that I want something? When you say that, you want something. I want a brand new car. Madison, you are not getting a brand new car. We just got you a new radio for your birthday for your car, right? Yeah, but I want a brand new car. The one I have is a piece of junk. What does it do? It doesn't start. It starts. You just want a new car. Yeah. Madison Daphne Horn, you are not getting a new car. Why, Dad? Why, Daddy? Because you're not getting a new car. Why? Because you're not. Well, think about it. For what? For this year's Christmas. That's a long way. Well, you can wait. You can wait. But why? You can wait, Madison. Fine, Dad. What are you aggravating your dad about now? About his funeral? No. He won't get me a new car. Your car's fine, babe. No, it's not. It's horrible. You can get a new one. I'll buy you a new one. No, I want my parents to do it. Babe, she's not getting a new car. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Rodell. What is that noise? Oh, it's sitting on the toilet. Does that woman ever take a break? No, she's always pooping. Ow. What's wrong with Grandma? She's passed out. Oh my God, the most funniest thing. You know Bridget's pig, right? Oh yeah, Daisy. Yeah. The mom pig to the piglets. She sneezed and your grandmother passed out. That's funny. That's so weird. Well, bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. I love you. Love you, too. At least Rodell's not asking for a car. Niall, Rodell is 13 years old. 13-year-old girls don't drive. Wait, she gets to be 16. When is her birthday? Her birthday's this month. When is it? The 5th. Oh, yeah. She's going to be 14. Don't forget, Niall. Rodell's the youngest out of her teenagers. Oh, yeah, she is. Didn't you forget? No, I did not forget, me love. I love you. Is that Noah? Yeah. What does he need? I don't know. He's been crying all night. He's 9 months. Niall, he's not 9 months. He's 18 months. Gonna be 19 months. Oh, yeah. Then in October, he's gonna be 1. I love you. Do you want to have another baby? God, no! Why? Noah is my last. I'm done. Why? I'm done. 7 kids is enough for me. But Francesca, all our kids are half grown up. Niall, we have toddlers running around this house. We have Kaylee and Caitlin, who are 4. Going to be 5 in August. September. They were born the day before your birthday. Oh, you mean September 14th? Yeah. They're born September 15th, the day before your birthday. I know. Does that woman ever give her a rest? No. She's on the toilet pooping her brains out. She's already clogged up our toilet. We had to get it fixed. I know. I love you. Love you too. Sassy baby, we'll be there in a minute. Sassy, get your paw out of my shoe. Oh, God. What is she hissing at? Us. Oh. Go back in the room. Yeah, for this cat has a heart attack. Most likely, yes, she's having a heart attack. No, she's not. Not yet. Niall! Well, she's annoying, this cat. Oh. Noah. Shh. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's all right. Is he wet? No, he just wants to be held. Oh. Go on. Noah, James, go to sleep. Why is he like that? I don't know. Noah, James. Why has my... Because your middle name is James, right? Yeah, so that's why he has your middle name. He whines just like you, babe. Me love, shut up. He doesn't whine. Niall, he acts just like you. I swear to God. Oh, God. Noah, James, knock it off. You're not getting picked up again. Sassy. She's laying on our legs. Noah James Horn. Knock it off. Not getting picked up again. Mom, what's wrong with Noah? Hadley, leave him alone. He wants to get picked up. Hadley, don't you dare pick him up. Hadley Maria Horn, go to your room. Do not pick up him. Do not pick up Noah. Why, Mom? He's probably wet. He's fully dry. You sure? Yeah, Mom, he's totally dry, like you said. Yeah. Do not pick him up, Hadley. Go to your room. He's crying because he wants to be held. Elizabeth, I'm soaked and wet. Oh, God. No, it's true. I am. I'm wet. All right. Let me in. All right, I'm doing. Oh, I feel better. You all right, Mom? Yeah, I'm all right. Is that me? It's again. Flesh, please. Mom, you want to have a fresh breeze? You put clothes on. Well, you should know I'm allergic. Oh, thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping my ass. Nope. Oh, no, changing me. I'm sorry, I forgot what you were doing. Thank you for changing me. I'm nice and cozy. Elizabeth, are you possessed? No, I'm not possessed. Stop asking me. Oh, excuse me. That one was me. God. Okay, guys. That was Tim and Jamie. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have you done so? Don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So there was another Tim and Jamie episode like this one. For once again, I'm Tim. And I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Thordy, that was me. Oh, Cinda. Alright, Thordy, I had to go. For once again, I'm Tim. And I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.